Hi everybody, I am making vegetable spaghetti bolognese for Veggie Day tomorrow. And basically, I've never made anything like this before. I know people are going to criticise that I'm doing this wrong. Bear in mind, people, YouTube, I am sorry, I'm using a knife. I am cooking. Please don't remove my video. But yes, but basically, sorry, 1 second. Whoops, carrots are brick hard. Basically, I am trying to cook this for my course. And to wash lentils as well. Can anyone tell me, please, am I supposed to add water into the pan with these? Lentils and water. Am I supposed to add water in with that? I hope I am, because I think I might just bugger it up. If I have, it's okay, I've got more lentils. But all I'm doing is letting them simmer away to boiling point. Yes, I'll have all my vegetables ready to go in the frying wok. I don't like frying pans, but I don't mind frying woks. But yes, this is what I'm cooking. I'm not only doing this for Veggie Day, I'm doing this for me as well. I want to lose weight. And basically, a lot of people on my YouTube channel know I don't like mushrooms. I don't like peppers and stuff like that. Well, I'm going to put them in. Never ever ever be afraid to try something new. If you're not allergic to it, leave it out. If you're not, put it in. But don't be afraid to put something in that you think you're scared of as a child, because it might have changed as an adult. Every Wednesday or Thursday, I'm going to be doing this for my cooking course. And yes, it's going to be on the line, that's why I'm doing this video now. It's because I want to show them that I can do it and I am capable of cooking, even though I've got issues. Let's do a boil, so I turn it down. The simmer boil you want it on. That's how I've done it, just stick it on the simmer boil. No, I'm not putting the full carrot in because it's a rather large carrot. It's not the carrot that was supplied with the bag, unfortunately, that carrot was rather rotten. And yes, as people know, I do suffer from tics. I am being trusted here. Something I said at 10, I can feel when I'm having a tick come on. So I'll put the knife down and I'll back away from the bench until that said tick has decided to move on. And yes, I know the kitchen's a mess. My way of doing it is get the oven door, then clean up. And again, YouTube, if you take this video down, I will be pissed. This is my first time cooking alone. Mixing that up. Give the lentils another stir. Right, I'm going to have a look what to do next. Add the garlic and fry it for a further minute. Right, so I've got to fry this and then add the garlic. Wherever the garlic's disappeared to. And then say people, it was supplied. Everything was supplied. I could have got the shop and got this myself, but you know. How many clothes do I need? And no, I do not urge anyone to cook alone if you do have severe tics or Tourette's or something in that form, because it's really unfortunate, which can end bad. There we go. Open. If you snap that little bit off the top, you can normally get into it better. And yes, I do have a little container here for rubbish. As you can clearly see, I kind of had 9 lapses and I forgot where I'm putting stuff. Now, they're going to hate me for this one. I was taught this in college. Go to pull over, can't get it open. Put the fat part knife on it. Hit it with a thing. And you should. It still hasn't opened there. Go again. Put a knife on it, put a towel on it. 2 or 3 times, and you've got an open garlic clove. There you go. Because you don't want these bits on. You do check that, look. See the difference? Nothing on, on. There you go, that's what you want off. Yes, I did go to catering school. Unfortunately, I had to leave because of ill health. Again, not quite open. No must need lentils boil. Right, says just to put the garlic clove in. Doesn't say how much. Add the garlic, that's all it said. Again, how much I don't know, so do I put the full in, do I not? So I'm going to go with half, because I've got a funny feeling if I put too much in it's going to be very garlicky. One sec, I need to stir the lentils again. Give me 2 minutes later. Once I've done this, I'm going to start the fryer up again. And I will try and stand it up so you can see everything. Right, that bit's rotten, so that's going in the bin. Let's get another bit out. just told you I'm garlic.
Got a garlic press in there.
No, it wouldn't work.
Huh?
I'm on a video.
Sorry.
It's alright. Sorry about that, it's just my parent. What I was trying to explain there, I do have a garlic press, but unfortunately the stupid thing don't want to work. If you give me 1 second. I need your help.
What?
Can you justify how much garlic I should put in? Because it doesn't say.
Well, it depends on
It
taste.
says add the garlic. So I'm just going to add that much. Would that be too much? I'm going to cut it and fry it. Think that'll be too much?
No, that'll be about right.
Right. That's what we're going for. Is that it, man? No water in it.
3 or 4 cloves.
No water in it.
10 cloves.
Too big there. And it cuts
I would
down.
just do them.
But these ones.
Follow them.
Excuse the background noise, it's just my grandmother making a cup of tea as per usual. This is just cut it in small enough bits where you can pick up. Someone just asked us on the thing to see why you're not scared you're going to tick. And when well, if that happens, I'll go back away from the kitchen, let it tick off, and when it's finished I'll go back to cook it. Right, I can put it on, I need to add that into there.
Smells
I added
nice.
1 mushroom,
Smells nice.
doesn't it?
You finished with this?
No, I think it really helps stuff.
No, you need to.
I'm
I'll have to cook with that mess. You know what I'm like to
gonna have to hold on then. I hope you can see me, everybody. Don't want to see me doing it.
Alright.
That's how I would find best because I don't know that every tripod.
Did you put the lentils on?
Eh?
Did you put your lentils on?
Yeah, but I was a bit unsure on this. I am going to question my grandma on this because I have questioned you like you haven't exactly help. Where's it gone? Where's the box gone?
Sheep.
No, where's the box gone? There's the box in there, there it is. Do I add the water in?
Uh-huh.
Do I add water in there and then put boiling water in? Because that's what Susan did.
Ah. 45 minutes.
Huh?
Empty its contents into sauce with stir thoroughly during heating. Do not boil.
It says to boil on the thing.
Do not boil.
Oh, it's in the simmer. I turn it down.
Turn it right down.
Okay, to whoever pointed that out, please correct it. Because it says on your sheet that I'm supposed to boil it, but on here, you're not supposed to.
It impairs
You
the
can turn the
flavour.
heat down, please.
What? That's the best one to put that on, Amy.
I just left it there for now to boil away now.
No, but it's not to boil, that's the trouble. Sorry, but that's... Put it on that one.
Well, at least I'm learning now.
Yeah, well, I'm not criticising.
I'm trying, that's the main thing.
You're trying, alright.
Hey, at least I'm making the dinner for you.
Have you got the ambulance on standby?
Huh?
Have you got an ambulance on standby?
My grandmother's making a joke, basically thinking I'm going to poison her.
It does smell nice, I will say that.
Say hello. Wait, hello.
Hello. And I shall blame you if I end up in hospital. That actually made me feel quite hungry.
Huh?
That made me feel quite hungry.
I know.
Did you put the herbs in?
I'm going to set this, just give this a little dry off first and then turn it off again.
See, that's how you do it, look.
That's the way I thought it did, because I've seen you do it before. But on the paper it says boil it.
No, that takes the flavour out of it.
Right, let's put it off again. Just keep frying through to all and put the kazuni because that thing
Courgette.
courgette. I've got an issue here. No, I haven't, tell a lie. It's out the way. Moving up because I don't fancy hitting the pan.
Yeah, if you work in a clean space, it's easier to work.
If I don't know, it be asked to move them. Move the animals. Now I'm looking at all that. Wait, how am I supposed to cut this?
You can
I'm
cut
cutting it
it.
in slices and then what?
You can.
I just have to use the whole thing. Am I using the whole thing?
You can do.
And the house doesn't talk like that.
I don't know.
We've got bits in there.
Right. You can cut it in half
Uh-huh.
and then quarter it
Right.
and then chunk it like that. Because if you're putting it in there like the car is,
Yeah.
see?
Yeah.
Watch your hands.
Get off. Right, I'm going to ask my grandma to help me on this one because I'm terrified I'm going to slip. That board's not sticking. Some of the stuff would get me to lower a crap. I want to use vegetables on this.
Right.
Am I chugging it that way?
That way.
Right.
See about that size?
Yeah, I'll do that now. Oh, forgive me. Sorry, I didn't realise you were still over there. I'm just cutting this zucchini thingy bob. 1 second. Is that better? Can you see me now? That's how big I'm cutting it to. Do I add all of it? Nah.
Well, I wouldn't add too much because you don't want it over.
Will I just add like that or should I add 2 of these?
What?
If I add that or just add 2 of these?
2 of them.
Right.
You don't want it overpowering it. It's
No,
nice,
that's what I'm
really.
worried about. That's why I'm worried about the garlic. That's why I didn't put it and take it back. And yes, if you're wondering why I'm not following the video, it's because simply I don't like following videos that go too fast. And it's something that stresses me out very much when it comes to cooking. Unless somebody showed me how to do it, I could not follow a video. Hence why I'm asking my gran to help me. This is the only part my gran has helped me on. I've done the rest. Herbs in the frying pan! It doesn't say if I add the herbs. You put the frying pan.
Yeah.
So this part I don't understand. You put stuff in there that hasn't added anything onto it. Wait 1 second. Okay, well, that's it. About that 1 second.
Oh, wait a minute, mix them through.
Can I ask next time you do one of these sheets, when you do this, please add how much I'm putting in here and where I'm putting it.
And then again, it's down to taste.
Yeah, it is, but at the same time, I thought it had to go in the lentils, or did I have to go in the fryer, or did I have to go in after? It doesn't state that, it just states when and where.
Have you got a stock cube dissolved?
I'm going to do it now. Let's go in that pan.
Right.
Let's do the lentils and the fry first. I need the spaghetti and all that into it as well. I need another pan, spaghetti. Oh no, don't until that it's hot water, the thing going in. I've got a question.
What?
How the hell am I meant to dissolve stock cubes when I haven't got any?
In there.
No, they're supposed to fly them.
Oh, but they're in there. I've got stock cubes.
What kind of stock cubes?
Well, if it's veggie, use a veggie stock cube.
Oh, no, veggie stock cubes. Woo! Oh well, we've lost the lid. In the bin.
Left it out.
Okay, well, I'll find it. With beef, oh, it was in there.
No, wait a minute, what's this one?
many do I need? I think I need maybe 1 or 2. Where's my thing gone? That's some paper gone?
Eh?
So you're sitting on top of it. Dissolve the stock cubes with 100ml on and herbs.
The herbs in the stock cube.
Where's the jug gone? Where's the jug?
So you'll need
Bottom water.
2 of them cubes for 100 mils.
Yeah.
If you want a wee bit more water, which I think you'll need, put 150 in. An extra cube in, okay?
Right. How much herbs do I add?
Well, depends how you dried herbs are.
I'm strong.
They're not bad actually. About a teaspoonful.
I'm pushing these up in my hand, I was letting them in.
No, I'll show you a trick. Oh, they're not going to crush.
No. Just put them in now, they'll dissolve.
I don't think they will.
What?
I think they're past their best.
You're joking me, aren't you?
Well, you use a chicken pan.
So I have to give me 1 moment, people. 2 minutes. I've got a bad belly. And you left.
The chicken one.
That one's 100ml one. No.
I think 50 mils of that. I'm going to try and crush one of these ones. They've just dried, that's all.
Hmm?
They've just dried.
It's okay.
Should be. Couldn't tell you when I smell it once I've crushed it.
I'm crushing this.
I just
Like wax.
break it up.
I've just had an idea. No, I think we just need to smash it. What's it for? Yeah.
It smells alright.
Yes, I'm letting my gran do this because of my ticks. I am scared when I push it down, it's going like that.
Yeah.
Is that it? 100 mil?
I would do about 125. That'll be quite strong.
750. Is that correct? That's at 150 mark.
Uh-huh. Now you've got to stir it till it's totally dissolved.
I'll put these in.
Dissolve it first, because that'll clump if you don't.
Yeah, no, I'm just going to open it ready.
Don't put it in like that.
That's what it says to put it in.
That way.
Oh, that smells nice, that. Inside that, please.
Eh?
Add a little bit more water.
You don't need water.
Yeah.
Other than that, you could add a wee bit of.
Yes, I know you're not supposed to have help, but I'm just asking for help on things that I knew I can't do. That's it. That's it now. Wait, how much did you say a hand pinch?
Put some in your hand. Right, try that first in your hair, your mixture. And then stir it. And let it infuse for a wee bit so as you can smell it.
Smell it now.
Not strong enough, maybe I'm not strong enough. Here, give us your hand. Right, try that.
Not too much.
No.
Add a little bit of time. I'm going to put that back on in a
I
second.
think you'll need to because the carrots and that are still quite hard.
I know that, I haven't finished. You quit eating me dinner. Right. Putting the fire back on, so I'm going to move it back over while that simmered. Not simmer, sorry, infuses. I do apologise to anyone if you get a fire alarm go off. Come and smell! Nah! Come smell! Smell the kitchen.
Oh, it's smelling right.
You can tell what I'm putting them on there because there's nothing on the paper about it.
Well, you've got to wait till that cooks. That only takes
Alright.
a couple of minutes. It doesn't take long for the spaghetti to cook.
45 minutes for that.
Eh?
45 minutes for that.
Well, that's been on 45 minutes.
Yeah. You ready?
Aye.
You turn it off then.
You want them drained?
Don't know yet.
Right, you putting your juice in there?
I think so. That's what you would do.
That's what I would do, aye. Add pistachio, tomato puree, salt, sweet and herbs.
So what?
And then simmer for 15 minutes. So you add that. There's your pistachio.
Not cooked. Don't know what to do with it. I've got this tomato
Add puree.
and I've got this tomato.
Right, that goes in, that just goes, you don't have to cook it, it's already cooked.
Right, this is up there. Oh, pain.
Right?
Now just turn it up.
Stir it on.
Turn it up now.
Alright, very gently. Just a minute.
Why did you put that in?
Because it's concentrated. Right. Now you let that simmer very, very gently for 15 minutes. And you can strain your lentils through there. You add the lentils there.
This is straining lentils and the spaghetti.
Eh?
This is straining the lentils and the spaghetti.
Strain the spaghetti, add to the plate and serve with a mix on top.
Yeah, that's the vegetable. But doesn't tell you if you need or not. See what I mean?
Choice of either soya, veg, spinach, or however, lentils are better for the environment as beef.
Would you strain it?
Oh, I would strain it.
Right, well here.
Put a wee bit of water in there, then. Take a bit of juice out of that.
So if you give me.
I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right, where's the what do we need, a bowl or something?
You need to do it in a fine sieve.
Is that no good?
I don't think that'll work. You can try, but I think the lentils will go through it.
Fine sieve, where is it? Where is the fine sieve? Where the hell it is?
There you are.
Got it. That works. Yeah, that'll work. Let's put it straight in the bowl.
No, what you do is strain it in there.
Yeah, straight in the bowl.
Aye. Just pour it all in.
I don't want to take it back on me, done.
Right, now put that over the top of the thing to strain.
Yeah.
That's it. Just let it drip.
You stir
That
that.
can go in the bin. There's still some stuff in it. Yeah.
Okay. Again, disclaimer, I'm only asking my friend to help me in certain things because, like I say, I'm not okay doing them. But also, it's basically if I take a second to go and I'm holding a knife.
Right. That one there, turn it on and put it onto a small heat. Turn it down. Right down. That's it.
Right.
Turn that one off.
Don't need this anymore.
Boiling water for you.
What are these for? Can I ask?
What?
Got nothing on them.
They're bay leaves.
What do I do with them? Put them on top of the dinner or something?
No.
They're not washed.
Wash them. I thought they had been washed.
We're thinking away at that one. Seriously, Jordan, I went, if I start doing this, are you gonna start thinking you're breaking them up or what?
No, leave them whole because you have to lift them out. Just put them in. Like that. And you lift them out once it's cooked.
Yeah. Wait, what do I don't need and do I need? I don't need that.
You don't need the knife.
Wait, I'm gonna put everything, let's do it, go and wash it over here out of the way.
You put everything
That
away.
needs to go in the bin. I can go in the bin as well. I don't need the potato peel, I don't need that. Don't buy tons anymore, have you? No? Then we're going to pass that more.
Yes, there's loads of paracetamol.
Move on, go. Please.
While you're waiting in that simmer and clear all your mess away.
Stop doing that.
What did you do with the stuff that's left? Take it back.
No, keep it. No, keep it.
Smells nice, I'll say that.
Well, I offered to try it now, so I'm going to change my diet up. That's why I offered to try all this. What am I doing with this now?
I would wait till the end.
You know,
And
just
then
draining them
add-
out more.
Eh?
Just draining them out more.
Wait till this is done, it's simmering. Okay.
Yeah.
Are these knives clean?
Yeah. Is it not something to tell which one's the word and which one's word? What I want to do is if I can get this right, I'm going to show the job place. What I can do, look at this. Where's the shield gone for that already? Yeah, keep the shield on that battery.
What?
I keep the shield on that.
Ah, you should do. It's sharp on both
Well, the
sides.
one lost his shield, didn't it?
Eh?
The other one lost his shield.
Put them in
Yeah,
there.
fine, and you?
Put them there and then that way I don't
That's how we're doing.
Right, can I go and finish a cup of tea?
Yeah, you can, thanks for help.
Now remember, once that's cooked, take the bay leaves out and
Yeah.
then add your lentils.
Right, can you grab and pass that off, please?
Yeah. Jimmy.
Thank you. What's that, people? There's my lentils, which will go in a minute. As I said before, the only reason I asked me to help me on certain things is because I'm terrified I'm gonna get eat. No, it's not going to waste. Some of this stuff is going to the animals.